In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breakpoints Webflow tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable and manage the breakpoints you need using a handy Webflow app extension, so your site looks great on every screen size. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the project where you want to adjust responsive settings. It's a good habit to have a recent backup or a saved version before making changes to global styling behavior, just in case you want to roll back. Next, open the Apps panel inside the designer. This is where you can discover and add official extensions that integrate directly with your project. In the search field, type FinSuite extension. This extension includes utilities that help you manage styles across breakpoints with more control and visibility. Select the FinSuite extension from the results, then choose Install. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions so it can interact with your project's styles. Installation happens inside the designer, so you won't have to leave your current workflow. Once it's installed, click Launch App. This opens the extension's dashboard in a panel. You'll see a collection of tools designed to clean up and organize CSS properties at different responsive ranges. From here, choose Remove Style Properties. Despite the name, we're not deleting anything right away. Think of this tool as a control center, where you can decide which style properties should remain active or be excluded at certain breakpoints. This is especially useful if styles were previously removed or restricted on specific device widths, and you want to re-enable them. Within that tool, open the breakpoint section. You'll see a list of breakpoints with checkboxes that indicate which style points are flagged to be removed. To make sure your styles stick at the sizes you want to design for, uncheck any breakpoints that are marked as removed. Unchecking tells the extension to keep those properties available at that breakpoint so you can design responsively without unexpected overrides disappearing on tablet, mobile landscape, or mobile portrait. Take a moment to review each breakpoint you plan to support. The goal is to ensure your essential styles are retained, giving you consistent control as you adjust layouts across screen sizes. When you're done, your project will honor those breakpoints, allowing you to refine typography, spacing, and layout exactly where they matter most. That's it. Your breakpoints are now set up to work as intended. You can continue designing with confidence, knowing your responsive styles won't be unexpectedly stripped at key device widths. Congratulations!